Hello, people of God. It's my joy today as I celebrate my spiritual father, Apostle Johnson Suleiman. Happy birthday, Daddy. Thank you for being such a huge blessing to my life personally. I joined the millions around the world to celebrate you today. You're such a great mentor. You're such a great teacher. You're such a great prophet. Thank you for living the life that, mirrors, Jesus Christ. Thank you for showing us the path and the way to go. Thank you for teaching us God's word so accurately. Thank you. I love you so much. Thank you for your special love towards me. Since I met you, it's been another kind of, experience entirely. Thank you, sir. I'm so honored and privileged to serve God with you. Thank you. I want the world to know that I love you and I celebrate you and you mean a lot to me. Thank you, Daddy. God bless you.